we're live this morning with the Cincy Wolves from the Horizon Science Academy. We'll tell you about their big tournament coming up in a full report.
Leading the way, on air, online, and on the go. WLWT News 5 Today starts now.
Now to stories happening today. The science and math skills of tri-state students is going to be put to the test as they go head-to-head with students from across the Buckeye State with some major hardware. News 5's Kyla Woods, a bit of a techie herself, is live with the big tournament about to get underway. No, you're not a techie? Come on, Kyla.
No, Jonathan, I'm telling you, my skills are small potatoes compared to these kids that'll be participating in this tournament today. Again, it's the State Robotics Tournament. Very exciting stuff here, especially if you love math and science. So the team that we are talking to this morning, Cincy Wolves, they're with the Horizon Science Academy right here in Cincinnati, and this is their first time participating in the tournament. This is their first year, so it's very exciting that they've made it to the tournament, and we'll see lots of fun and exciting robots later on this morning, and we have one of them on display this morning as well during our live shot. So to tell you about the competition that'll take place, it kicked off yesterday evening with the robot hardware and software inspection. So making sure everything is checked out and ready to go for the big competition today. And the teams will start registering around 7:30 this morning. They will have judge interviews and also a driver's meeting with the head referees. So this is a big competition. They've got referees involved. You don't typically hear referees involved with math and science. So it's going to be very exciting. You can see the guys are all ready to go here. We'll be talking to them coming up at 6:30 about this robot that they have on display and just about how excited they are to be taking part in this tournament. Reporting live, Kyla Woods, WLWT News 5.
Kyla, from the video we could tell that the robots seem to be moving rings. That was sort of the contest. Ask those guys how many rings they're going to move today for me, will you? Go ahead, let's hear it.
How many, are there going to be rings moving today? Will your robots be moving rings today? Yeah? About how many?
Between 6 and 8.
Between 6 and 8, Jonathan. Between 6 and 8 rings.
I'm going for 8. I think they can take 8.
You're going for 8?
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll go for it.
See if you can get them to make that thing do something for us in the next half hour. We'll be back to you.
I'm working on it, Jonathan.
Okay. Hey, all robots got to take their time. You can't rush a robot. We'll see you in 30 minutes.
Robot. And we're live this morning with the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship. We'll tell you more about these exciting devices and talk to one of the team members coming up.
Putting their technology to the test, today some tri-state students are taking on an engineering challenge against those from around the state. News 5's Kyla Woods is live for us this morning talking about the State Robotics Tournament. This sounds cool. Good morning, Kyla.
Hey, Jonathan, it is very cool, and you know what? We got those lights for you, so let's get right to the robot we have on display here. The Cincy Wolves will be participating today. They're from the Horizon Science Academy right here in Cincinnati. They're participating in the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship today. I'm joined by Tony Pemberton, who is the team leader of the Cincy Wolves. Now, Tony, tell me what we're looking at here and what this robot will do.
Okay, what the robot's supposed to do is it takes its pulley, it has a pulley system, and it takes the rings with the basket, and you bring them out off the pipes, and then you're supposed to put them on different levels of pipes.
Okay, now Jonathan, our anchor, he mentioned the rings and them coming off, and you said that it can do maybe 6 to 8 rings.
Yeah, in a good game, yeah.
Okay, we're shooting for 8. Now, what are you looking forward to today in the championship tournament?
I'm looking forward to just having a good time, and hopefully we do well.
Yeah, I'm pulling for first place. I'm going to go ahead and put my money's on the Cincy Wolves. If I was a betting woman, I would put my money on the Cincy Wolves. So it's very exciting. Open to the public and for free, which is my favorite price. So you can come on out and support the Cincy Wolves as they participate today. Again, we're at the Scarlet Oaks campus. You can come on out today. The event is from 11 until 5. Reporting live, I'm Kyla Woods, WLWT News 5.
Kyla, I'm curious what somebody as smart as Tony wants to do when he gets older. Will you ask him?
Let me ask him. Tony, Jonathan wants to know, what do you want to do when you graduate? What's your goal?
Well, I'm trying to go into education. I want to be a good teacher.
Awesome. See, that's what we need. Super smart teachers.
No doubt about it.
So he wants to be a teacher.
That bodes well for our community. Tell Tony he's got to stay in Cincinnati. All right, we'll see you in 30 minutes, Kyla.
Leading the way, on air, online, and on the go. WLWT News 5 Today starts now.
Now to stories happening today. The science and math skills of tri-state students will be put to the test as they go head-to-head with students from across the Buckeye State using major hardware. News 5's Kyla Woods is live for us with the big tournament about to get underway. Good morning, Kyla.
Hey, good morning, Jonathan. That's right. Lots of hardware here and lots of excitement. We are at the Scarlet Oaks campus getting ready for the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship. I am joined by my favorite team, the Cincy Wolves. I'm pulling for them to win today. I'm joined again by Tony Pemberton. Tony, tell me what we're seeing here with the robot.
Here right now, we're setting up the robot and preparing to work.
Okay. Now, can you show me what it does?
Yeah. I can show you.
This is exciting stuff. I've never seen a real live robot. Let me just say that. So I don't know if that means I've been sheltered my entire life. But oh, look. So tell me about the rings.
All right. So what we do is we use our pulley system to raise our arm up to put the rings on the pipes.
Look at that, Tony. Success. So this is what I'm saying here. We're off to a great start.
Yeah.
So there will be lots of these taking place today. So as a part of the competition, you can see the rings are here. They have inspections as a part of the competition. So lots that goes into the tournament today. And we want to note this is the Cincy Wolves' first appearance, their first time competing and their first appearance in the state tournament. So very exciting stuff. Again, the event is open and free and open to the public. You can come on out starting at 11 o'clock. They'll be here and the closing ceremony is at 5. Reporting live, I'm Kyla Woods, WLWT News 5.
That is great, those smart kids. And Kyla, I have got an idea for a mask you could wear when you're doing the story later and you want to do that little stand-up part of the story. Maybe we could find, like,
Jonathan.
Maybe there'd be a wolf mask somewhere that you could buy. Do you think you could find one around there?
I think I can. Oh, wait, do we have one here? There we go. Jonathan, you're saying you want me to put the wolf mask on.
Just keep your hands away from his face.
You'd rather see me in the wolf mask.
He's a biter. I know. Well, I'm not going to force anything. I was just throwing a suggestion out there. All right. I like the show and tell on the robot. We'll see you in 30 minutes, Kyla. Mask or not.
We're live at the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship. Things are well underway here. We'll have a full report coming up.
Putting their technology to the test. Today, some tri-state students are taking on an engineering challenge against those from around the state. News 5's Kyla Woods is live for us this morning at the State Robotics Tournament. Kyla, good morning.
Hey, Jonathan, yeah, we're here getting ready for the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship, and it's well underway. We're inside now here at the Scarlet Oaks campus, and I'm joined by Coach Zach with the Cincy Wolves, and we've been with you guys all morning long. We've seen what the robots can do, and we're going to see even more now. But tell me a little bit of the background of you guys actually getting to this point today.
Hi, our school is Horizon Science Academy Cincinnati. Is a charter school, and being between these big public schools is a very big opportunity for us.
So it's a great honor for you guys to be a part of this, especially with it being your first year.
Yeah, it's be a rookie team between these teams. It's very proud to be here.
Yeah, and these guys have worked really hard. We talked to Tony earlier, and he was telling us about what goes into building these robots. So there's lots of inspections that take place as well, and the actual competition, the inspection portion of it started off yesterday. There will be the full-out competition today, so lots of excitement going on, and it's free and open to the public, so you can come on out today. The opening ceremony will start at 11 a.m. this morning at the Scarlet campus here, Scarlet Oaks campus here, and you can come out and it'll close out around 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. So come on out and support these kids as they get ready to get these robots kicking today. It's very exciting here. I'm reporting live, Kyla Woods, WLWT News 5.
All right, Kyla, thanks. There's a werewolf with safety glasses behind her. Look out.
Leading the way, on air, online, and on the go. WLWT News 5 at 6 starts now.
And working together, teams from all across the state compete in a robotics competition. Coming up, the teams from the tri-state that are in the hunt. You're watching WLWT News 5. Part competition, part cooperation. Teams from all around the state right here in Cincinnati today to see who can build the best robot. WLWT News 5's Kyla Woods spoke to some of the teams from the tri-state in the hunt.
We originally just had a two-stage design with the lifts.
Math, science, and technology teams from across the region are here in Cincinnati for the FTC Ohio Robotics Championship.
It's a spring-loaded, rubber band-loaded arm for the autonomous.
Students have worked rigorously since September of last year, constructing what they hope to be award-winning robots.
All right, so we got to put it in a box.
Yeah, go ahead and put it in a box.
We spent some time today with the Cincy Wolves from Horizon Science Academy, the only charter school to make it to this level of competition. competition.
Go ahead and bring it out.
Team leader Tony Pemberton explains why it means so much for them to be a part of today's event.
We work really hard to get to the competition where we're at here, since everybody, all the other schools here, they're big schools and they have money and they have resources and people have resources and we don't. So we've been working really hard to be able to keep up and compete with all these people.
And it's not just rewarding for the students who have reached this milestone.
Just jab it under there.
A very proud coach from Crawfordsville, Indiana, had a student actually help another team get their robot up and running. He says that kind of character building is what today is really about.
They call it cooperation, so we need to cooperate together and try and get everybody working. Who wants to win if you're not fighting against the best competition?
That's what. There we go. You got it.
For members of the St. X team, the work that goes into reaching the championship is twofold.
Yes. You got it? Yep, got it.
Sophomore Grant Shirtliff understands that the experience he gains by participating in these key events is priceless.
I'd like to work in the science and technology area, most likely in engineering, and do things that we're doing here right now, such as building robots and designing and overcoming technology challenges. And this could all help us in future careers.
Go! The next step for students is the World Competitions, which will be held later this year in St. Louis.
Little one's got one drink in the middle.
Kyla Woods, WLWT News 5.